Hi, math fans. So there's this math trick going around. Supposedly it can like magically find your age. Let me show you how it works, and then I'll show you why it's bogus. It goes like this. You pick a number 1 through 9. Any number, it doesn't matter. We'll call it X. So that X there, that variable, that could be any number you pick 1 through 9. It doesn't matter. You take that number, you multiply it by 2, and then you add 5. You take that whole thing, whatever you get, you multiply it by 50, plus 1,771, and then from that you subtract your year of birth. So let's try it for me. I'm going to be 45 this year. I haven't had my birthday yet, but I will. So I pick a number, let's pick 7, okay? So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 times 50 is what? 19 times 50 is 950. 950 plus 1771 plus 1771 so this turns into 2,721 minus my year of birth, which is 1976. So take that, subtract 1976, and the answer is 745. 7, remember, that's the same number I picked originally, and the last 2 digits here is my age. Wow, that's amazing. How does that work? That's incredible. Well, let me show you what's really going on. 2x plus 5 times 50 plus 1771 minus the year of birth. That's the math trick. Now, what's the actual normal way I would find my age? The normal way is I would take the year, which is 2021, and I would subtract my year of birth, 1976. Right? Assuming I had my birthday. 2021 minus 1976. 2021 minus 1976 equals 45. Yep, that works. I'm 45 years old. That's the normal way. Now let's see what's going on in this math trick here. 2x plus 5 times 50 plus 1771 minus my year of birth. Well, to simplify this expression, normally I would want to use my order of operations. I'd want to use PEMDAS or BEMDAS, whatever you call it. But I can't because I don't know what this x is. But I can take this 50 and I can distribute that. I can multiply that times each term in the parentheses. That's called the distributive property. I'm allowed to do that. So 50 times 2 is 100x plus 50 times 5 is 250 plus 1771 minus the year of birth. What else can I simplify here? These two, I can combine those. So we got 100x plus, what's 250 plus 1771? 250 plus 1771 gives me 2021. Oh, okay. 2021 minus my year of birth, 1976. So look what we have here. This part here, 2021 minus 1976, that's just the normal way that we would find my age, 2021 minus 1976. And this part here, it just takes the number x that I originally picked, 1 through 9, and I multiply it by 100. Now what happens when you multiply something by 100? It just moves it over into the hundredths place. So it moves it into the like if you imagine the answer here is like 3 places, the first 2 places are going to be my age. And when I multiply that x, you say that x, like when that x was 7, multiply it by 7, it becomes 700. So it moves it over into this decimal place. So when no matter what the x is, it could be 2. 2 times 100 would be 200. 5 times 100 would be 500. So it's going to move that number over here, and then this is always going to be my age. So basically you're just doing the exact same thing you did here, and you're just taking that original number and moving it out of the way.